Hello, hey guys, so this is a certain part I want to show you on how to go ahead and find it. Hold up. Yeah, let me think it's really intense here. I don't want to do it in normal mode, because then if I make a mistake, I have to start again and show you guys. Like right here. I just made a mistake. Oh. It's this part, look. This part. I have no idea how to do that. I have no idea how you're supposed to do this. What the frick? I have no idea what you're supposed to do. Oh! No, goodness. What the heck? How am I surviving this? How was I surviving that? Oh, what just happened? Oh my goodness. That was 59%. Boy. That's exactly why I did practice mode. I made a mistake. Oh, god dang it. Ow. I am very used to getting a coin. Honestly, my friend showed me this level, and when he showed me this level, he knew how to get the coin, so I just do what he does. Now I'm gonna use the green now. Let's see what happens. Watch what happens. What the heck? I tapped right there. It's so hard. Esteban! Ow. I have no idea how to get back to that part. I always die there. Ow, how did I freaking die? This is so hard. I wish practice mode. I wish there was a hack you can make practice mode get you percentage on, what the fuck? I wish practice mode would give you percent on, normal mode. And trust me, it's so frustrating. You freaking tap, and it didn't let you. What the fuck? It's so freaking tough. Don't screw this up. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. I need to show you guys that part. That part is so, what the heck, bro? What the frick? I'm tapping. Yeet. Okay, let's get rid of that check mark. Okay, that was horrible. Okay, that was horrible again. Yeet. Now let's show you guys that part. That part is so hard. So I can freaking do it in practice. come, I can only do things in practice mode. Now, practice mode is not helping me. Not helping me. Not helping me. Okay, let's try this. What the fuck? Come on, why do I keep dying here? I can only do it in practice mode. In practice mode, I get past that part without dying. If I do it in normal mode, I always freaking die there. I'll just skip that hurdle. What the fuck? I freaking tapped. What the fuck? Oh, this thing what gets me so mad. I just wanna get to the part I did already. I think somewhere next to that part. Oh my goodness. I did it by 1%. No. Okay, let's start turning the music down. Sorry about all the tapping. Apparently, when they save it, they say it helps you concentrate better without the music. And to be honest, I kind of feel like that's happening. I feel like I'm doing a lot better. Because I cannot make it to the part automatically. I die a few times before getting here, so I guess no music is kind of helping me. And sorry if you hear all this little tapping, like, yeah, sorry if you hear that, but so it sounds like with no music. It just sounds like a bunch of fingers tapping. What the fuck? Well, at least you can hear me better. Oh goodness, I'm doing a lot better. What the fuck? I need to tap like crazy over there. It's not letting me do it. I wish if you get past this part, then you would just complete the level. Do not die, do not die, do not die. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, goodness. That was crazy. Okay, they are not lying. That music, no music actually does help you. Oh man, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like that. Please hit like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.